Kosrae, the smallest and easternmost state in the Federated States of Micronesia, is home to a fascinating legend about the Mutunnenea Channel that winds through the island's mangrove forest. According to local lore, the meandering channel was carved by a giant snake searching for his daughter, who had been abducted by the King of Lelu. The legend goes that the snake's daughter, who was somehow human or at least human-like, had caught the attention of the King of Lelu. When the giant snake reached the ancient royal city of Lelu, the king trapped it in a palace building. In a tragic turn of events, the king then set the building on fire, killing both the snake and the daughter, who had jumped into the flames in despair. Today, the Mutunnenea Channel remains a popular destination for Kosrae visitors. The channel carves a path through miles of lush mangrove forest near the basalt ruins of Lelu. While the water is murky and unsuitable for snorkeling, the channel offers a serene and scenic paddle experience with the foliage shining vibrant hues under the tropical sun.